Hey everyone, today I'm diving into the best AI tools of 2025 that you absolutely need to know about. Let's get right to it. First up, we have Einstein GPT. This Salesforce-based AI combines real-time customer data with ChatGPT's adaptive intelligence. What makes it special? It personalizes solutions on the fly and reduces manual optimization, making your workflow smoother than ever. Next, meet Einstein Copilot. This conversational AI embedded in Salesforce automates actions and streamlines workflows. Imagine making intelligent decisions without multiple setups. It's like having a super efficient assistant right in your software. For those in analytics, Einstein Discovery is your go-to tool. It provides lead scoring, churn predictions, and even upsell recommendations. Plus, it integrates with Tableau CRM, so even non-tech teams can dive into insights. Now, developers, listen up. Copado is a DevOps platform for Salesforce. It enhances code quality, ensures compliance, and speeds up development. If you're looking to improve system robustness, Copado has your back. For those focused on security, the Salesforce Code Analyzer is a lifesaver. It scans for security weaknesses and performance risks, integrating seamlessly with Salesforce CLI and CI/CD pipelines. GitHub Copilot is next. This AI assistant is a must-have for coding in Apex, LWC, JavaScript, HTML, and CSS. It promotes consistent coding styles and reduces repetitive tasks, speeding up development. And don't forget Tabneme. It offers AI-powered code suggestions, boosting productivity for JavaScript, CSS, and HTML developers. Last but not least, we have ChatGPT and AutoGPT. ChatGPT helps with summaries, presentations, and optimizing workflows. AutoGPT takes it a step further, managing complex projects and offering strategic advice. So there you have it, the best AI tools of 2025, tailored for every need. Which one are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights. Catch you in the next one.